You are a sweet and wonderful young lady. You have been blessed. You have blessed my life. You hold a special place in my heart. And I always think of you as Granddaddy's little girl. I am standing here today feeling and proud to be your grandfather. I love you deeply and dearly. Love, Grandpa. And I wish you the best.
Who wants to say something else after this? I said, oh, you know, maybe many of you know that I'm her little grandma. That's a chocolate grandma. But little grandma today went to say something to my little granddaughter. As all you know, the reason for celebration is 15 years of Aliyah. Leave behind her childhood to claim the next step and move on to the most beautiful stage of her life. Priceless treasure that nothing compares. Aliyah, I want to say that life from now on will be present in another way. It will be presented in another way. Perhaps you are a little confused, but I am fully confident that you will be very happy and fulfill all the goals you set. I wish you that have many beautiful moments next to your family. We are your friend and etc. But always keep in mind to live your life with responsibility and respect on God's path. I'm sure this will make you a person fulfilled of much joy and it will not affect your life. God bless you, Aliyah. Love.